Hey Lazada sellers, have you tried out this cool new feature which you can produce a product listing in just a matter of seconds using AI? Haha, you can even do it from your Lazada Seller Center app on your phone. Cool, right? Okay, so it's called the Smart Listing. Yesterday I tried it out. It was super cool and super fast. Okay, what you do is just put in a few words of description of your product, and then you upload one picture, and then you ask the AI to do its work. Okay, so it will within seconds it will create you a good title, okay, of your product. They'll create the whole description for you, and it's long. Okay, it's not like 2 sentences, like really about the product. And they even can recreate different photos for you. They can choose your category for you. Okay, all you have to do is put in your weight and also your price. Wow, super cool, right? Just by a few seconds you can create a product listing. Of course, please double check, okay, the things first. Okay, what have they written? Is it the correct thing? Okay, if you don't like, you can change the photos if you want, okay, or just add on new photos. But super cool feature. Please go and try it out, okay, and tell me your thoughts on this new feature.